Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. The sun is setting down, and I just want to discover something new. And this place is not even new. Maybe I should put my microphone closer to my mouth. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Let's have a walk. And it is quite noisy here at this moment. The reason is because that is a highway. It is one of the very famous Bay Area, one of the loudest highway. Behind that wall. But I do want to come out to see some evening scene. I came before the sun setting down, but when I arrive, the sun is already almost. We can see a little bit of the setting sun actually. Yeah. So I do it mostly to do a test to see if I can survive. Not I can survive, I can always survive. If my sound can survive this huge noise, a lot of cars. 7 o'clock, people just finished work, and this is the commuting hour. And I did not put voice cancellation mode because I prefer not to have voice cancellation too close to my mouth. I mean, I prefer not to have voice cancellation to alter my sound. Let's just take it as an experiment. I am super duper close to the microphone. And but this is just on the side. Now you can even see the wall of the highway. But it's a learning experience, right? We can always learn something, try something. Yeah. My new addiction of trying the microphone. When you have something new, when you have a new gadget, you always want to learn something and want to try out. And this has given me the opportunity to get out of my home much more frequently. Almost every day I come out because I want to see the setting sun. And also the trees are really beautiful, don't you think so? I think a few years ago, maybe before the pandemic, 5 years, 4 years ago, I have been here quite some times because this is quite close to where I live. And I remember these places. And the most I remember are the waters here. Now it's dried up. When my sons first play here, they were playing the ricochet, the stone, throw the stone in the water. And I still had the picture of them. That was almost 20 years ago. How time flies. Oh, look at the sun. Oh my. This is so beautiful. So very beautiful. I am talking with a very, very low voice. Let's just walk this way and enjoy the setting sun. Do, 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 do. This is so beautiful. I like to see city scene. I like to see life. Sometimes I feel the constructions is a little bit oola. But I feel this is so lively. This is a true life. This is so cool. Oh my. This looks like a big city, don't you think so? Oh, the train is coming here. Oh, I love trains. This makes me feel a big city feeling. It's like in Prague. It's like in Paris. It's like in Beijing. Oh. Now we are parting way from the highway. Oh, another train. I think I have chosen the most noisy section of this road. After that, there will be not so noisy. As I keep on, we are approaching Google, we are approaching the bay. It will be not so noisy. We will be away from the train sound. This is a creek, permanent creek, I think. Maybe next time I will go from the less noisy section. Maybe I will start from here, but still it's just along the, oh, it's again along the highway. Okay, it's dinner time. I am about to go back home for dinner. Next time, I will choose a better section, not so noisy. I am sorry for your ears. Please excuse me. Bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.